Hi guys, it's Mrs. Gershon. We're going to be working with vowel sounds this week. Now just to recap, our vowels being A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. This week we're going to be working on the vowel A and the vowel O. Now we know vowels make a couple different sounds. They can say their own names, or they can also say a short version of themselves. For instance, A's can say A, or they can also say A, as in apple. And O's can say O, or O's can also say ah. In this case, we're going to be talking about the short version of our A and our O. Like in our headers, right up here at the top, we have cat, so you have the short A sound, and we have sock. You have the short O sound, A and ah. I'm going to read through your list of words, and then we're going to talk about sorting those words. We also have a header over here that says oddball. So we'll be looking for a word this week that does not make the sound ah or ah when you say the word. And if we find one, we have to put that in our oddball section. So let's take a look. Our first column, I'm just going to read the words to you. We're starting here and I'm going to go down. Jam, job, fox, had, wag, was, cab. Second column, sad, got, hop, ran, lot, hot, and mom. And our third column, we have map, top, has, box, mop, boy, and ham. So those are all of our words. I think you folks probably know the meaning of most of those words. If you don't, you can ask Miss Thompson if you're confused on a word as you're sorting. But we're going to talk about those sounds now, ah and ah. So the way you need to look at these words and sort these words into these three columns is you need to really say each word out loud in order to see if you can hear the ah or the ah sound. For instance, our first word is jam. I don't hear A, I hear ah when I say jam. So you would put that under your cat because that is the short A sound. Now our next word, I hear job, job, just like in the word sock. So you're going to put that word under sock. And you're going to keep going through your words, saying them out loud and finding out if they say ah or ah. Now, there will be some words that you read where they don't say ah or ah, either of them. So we're going to put those in an oddball section. For instance, as I was reading through, you probably heard the word boy. Now, boy doesn't make the ah sound. It makes the oi sound. So just because it has an O doesn't automatically mean it goes under the sock when you're sorting, because you don't hear ah like in sock, you hear oi. So you have to really watch out for those words. I'm not going to give away the other oddball. I want you to really go through your words and read them and see if you can find an oddball for another oddball for your sounds ah and ah. There is one more, so you're going to have to read very carefully. It has the letter we're looking for, but it does not have the sound, so don't let it trick you. At this time, you are going to cut apart your words using scissors. Please use scissor safety. And you are going to start sorting them under your three headings: cat, sock, and oddball. Those should be right at the top. Wherever you're working in your workspace, those should be at the top. Then you're going to go ahead and sort all of those words, and they all fall under one of those columns, ah, ah, or oddball. All right, if you have any questions, please ask Miss Thompson, and she'll be checking your sorts for you. Happy sorting!